This Skytech Nebula RTX 5060 gaming PC is a monster. But is it too fast for you? Let's keep it real. You're stuck. Games are lagging. Load times feel like waiting for pizza delivery in a blackout. Your old rig wheezes every time you boot up Elden Ring, and don't even talk about multitasking, it's like asking a potato to solve quantum physics. You've got a passion for high-FPS chaos, but your current setup is straight up holding your dreams hostage. Sound familiar? That's burnout, not from gaming, but from babysitting outdated tech that belongs in a museum, not your battle station. You didn't grind for 100+ hours just to have your frame rate drop mid-fight, right? Now, imagine this nightmare on repeat. Creeping load screens, CPU spikes that sound like jet engines, and missed moments that cost you ranked matches and friendships. The worst part? That little voice saying, "It's fine for now," while your opponents flex their RTX gear and leave you in the digital dust. Your setup isn't just underperforming, it's betraying your potential. This isn't about vanity, it's about velocity, clarity, and control. You can't dominate your games when you're throttled by ancient hardware. Missed kills, missed raids, missed dopamine. You deserve better. Period. Enter the Skytech Nebula gaming PC, your warp speed ticket out of tech purgatory. Rocking the beastly Ryzen 5 9600X, boosts to 5.4 GHz, and a savage NVIDIA RTX 5060 8GB, this rig laughs in the face of lag. Whether you're slaying bosses in Baldur's Gate 3 or gunning through Warzone, it delivers buttery smooth 1080p Ultra, or even 1440p high with frame rates that feel illegal. Toss in 16GB DDR5 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, yes, it's 30x faster than your dusty old HDD, and ARGB cooled airflow, and you've got more than a PC, you've got a pixel-pushing, multitasking, dopamine-dispensing beast. Need more reasons to ditch your dinosaur? This powerhouse is assembled in the USA, backed by a 1-year warranty, and comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse. No bloatware. Just raw, plug-and-play performance. Thanks to its 650-watt gold PSU, Wi-Fi 802.11ac, and airflow-optimized mesh case, it's built to stay chill while you turn up the heat. Whether you're a competitive esports warrior or a casual chaos lord, the Skytech Nebula trims the fat, speeds up your workflow, and gets out of your way, so you can dominate. Warning! They're flying off the shelves. Gamers everywhere are ditching their lag machines and upgrading to Skytech. Don't wait till stock runs dry and you're forced to choose between overpriced scalpers or another year of digital suffering. Act now. Join the thousands already maxing their settings and flexing on their squads. Hit that link. Claim your Skytech Nebula today and turn your game into a god-tier experience. You're not just buying a PC, you're unlocking a lifestyle. Let's crank it.